Introducing Flooring Inc.'s exclusive waterproof flooring, TritonCORE. It is scratch-resistant, beautiful, and 100% waterproof. TritonCORE is great for life's messy accidents. Whether it's a messy kid or a messy baking session, the end result is always beautiful. TritonCORE is perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, and even basements. Any room in the house can look beautiful with wood-look luxury vinyl flooring. And unlike cheaper vinyl flooring, TritonCORE won't expand or contract when exposed to water. Easy to install and even easier to maintain, TritonCORE is durable enough to handle even the most chaotic of homes. Its 20mm wear layer offers the best protection against rough playtime and messy spills. With an attached underlayment and a competitive low price, TritonCORE is one of the most affordable waterproof luxury vinyl flooring options. Have questions about TritonCORE? Reach out to us on our website via live chat or give us a call. We'd be happy to help.